Hello friends, welcome back. I am Trilochan. Let's continue with Python series. In this tutorial, we will discuss how to build a world clock in a Python. We will print the current date and time for all the countries. Okay. So before we start, if you are new to Python, please watch all my videos in a single playlist. It is for beginners. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press on bell icon to get regular updates. So let's jump to code. Here we have to import the date time first. Then after that we'll import pi time zone pytz. Okay. So I have already installed, but you can install anyhow. You have to install in your system. So first let's see how to install. Simple pip3, because we are working on Python version 3, right? So pip3 install pytz. This is the time zone and requirement already satisfied. It means it is already in my system. So I need to just import this one. Okay. So simple import pytz. Okay. So after that, let me create all the countries list. So country zones, so underscore zones, right? So here another function is there, pytz dot. You can just all time zone, you can get all the time zones through this function. Okay. So this is the you can create a custom array of this, but we can get this one using this function. So now let me write one like time zone. Okay, country time zone. Let's take a array, so we can all append all the time here. So now we'll just go to the for loop so that we can append all the time zones for the countries. Okay, so for the country zone is the array. Okay, so we'll append to this array here, country zones in country zones. Here it is. Yes, this is an array of countries, right? Array of country time zones. Here it is. So let me append this one, country zones dot append. Here it is. Then country time zone. You can pytz dot. Yes, time zone. Right. So this is how you can get your all the time zones for the countries. Simple pytz dot time zone and country time zone. The country time zone is here the for specific country, the time zone of specific country, right? So again we'll take another for loop where I will print all the time, current time zone. Okay. So here it is, the range is country time zones, which we have created above. Okay. Now we'll print. So current time, let me define one variable where current time will capture. So country time equals to, so simple, date time, just convert to current time, right? Date time dot strf time, and this is, you can just take time now. Okay, date time dot now, this is the current time of current time zones. You can just pass it here. So here it is I. So here you will get the current time zone or current date and time for the particular country. So here you just need to print these values with the f string. Like you, I think you have idea on this because we have already discussed in previous videos. So simple format is there, f string, and you can simply write all the variables without any concatenations, and it's very easy to write, right? So let's copy this one. Here it is, the date of the country zone you have to write. So country zone I, right? Here it is. Yes. So now the date of country zone is, you can just country time and date format. It's very simple. Country time, you can write here, and you need to pass strf time, and the five like you can pass the format. It's already suggesting YMD, right? So this is the this date format. You can write down anything. DMY, this is Indian format. You can write. So you can print any format, right? Similarly, we have to print for the time. So here it is. You can end the time is, you can pass again the same variables, the time of contract. Okay, then similar way you can write here. Let me write this is country time. You need to just pass the variable like strf time, and you have to print in the format of time HMS, right? So everything is same, like you can just change it to H, capital H, capital M, yes, then capital S, hour, minute, second, right? So this is how you can print the date and time for all the countries in Python. In Python, it's very easy to do this because of these packages already built. So we have to just use this package and everything is done. You have to just implement all these things. You have to you just need to how to implement them. Otherwise, it all things are there. So I hope you like this video. So let me run this one first. Then yes, the Python 3, the simple way we can write. Yes, here it is. You can see now all the date and time of the countries, all the countries. You can say the time zone of it is printed. Okay, so this is how you can create your world clock. This is, you have all the time, like all the country's time, date and time, right? So I hope you like this video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much.